Hello, namaste and good day everyone. I Rohit Madan welcome all our viewers to our latest video with comprehensive insights into different aspects of Polymer Products Bazaar. This video is our today's edition of Polymer Bazaar News, which is exclusively sponsored by Samak Enterprise, a 20 plus years old polymer trading house based in Ahmedabad. Samak Enterprise deals with all kinds of polymers and has carved out a niche of its own in the plastic raw material industry due to its quality offerings.
Today we will share the latest development, weekly report and future trend of PP for first week of January 23. Now let's begin with propylene monomer. In USA, on FOB US Gulf Coast basis, propylene monomer assessed higher at 33 to 32.75 cents per LB. Then Europe, on FD Northwest Europe basis, propylene monomer assessed higher at 850 euro per metric ton. On CIF Northwest Europe basis, propylene monomer assessed higher at 840 euro per metric ton. After that, Asia, on CFR China basis, propylene monomer assessed stable at $900 per metric ton. On FOB Korea basis, propylene monomer assessed stable at $870 per metric ton. Now commencing with international bazaars. First and foremost, USA, FA's Houston basis last overseas notations were reported stable at $1,020 to $1,030 per metric ton. Thereafter, Europe, FD Northwest Europe basis, current import offers quoted higher at Euro 1,190 to 1,200 per metric ton. After that, Middle East, FOB basis latest offers assessed higher at US dollar 890 to 900 per metric ton. Then FEA CIF basis prevailing quotations assessed higher at US dollar 920 to 930 per metric ton. Now about China Bazaar. Willingness to purchase raw material is in a weak state in Chinese bazaars. Year-ending exercise is the primary agent to the mentality, according to bazaar participants. Therefore, the spot PP prices have fallen to around 7,600 yuan per metric ton in the major pockets of the country. Now, before we proceed for Indian Bazaar, you are requested to like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel Polymer Bazaar. Also hit the bell icon to get notification for next insightful videos on polymers price. Now coming to Indian Bazaar, latest overseas offers were assessed higher as compared with those in the previous week. As per our study, bookings of Chinese PP Homo Raffia concluded at US dollar 1,060 to 1,070 per metric ton for January 23 shipments. Now coming to latest rate revision. With effect from 29 December 22, Indian polymer producers have rolled over their ex-works prices. Mumbai Open Bazaar price rupees per kg plus GST. PP Raffia 101.25, PP lamination 106, film TQ 107.25, injection molding 104.25, co-poly 112.25, random 114. Now let us have a look at this week's buying pulse. The widespread suspicion of the local producers likely to push up their ex-works prices in the next price revision has driven converters to raw material bazaar to procure as much raw material as possible at the current prices. As a result, sellers saw good demand improvement, but readers should not equate the prevailing demand to aggressive levels. That is because aggressiveness in the buying intensity was absent. Again, fresh supplies in the PP segment were nil in the bazaars due to plant issues. And if the circulating buzz is to be believed, IOCL is preparing to restart fresh material supply in the coming days. The twin impact of the improving demand and supply tightness was reflected in bazaar premiums of rupees 4 to 6 per kg. Now finally about purchase opinion. Taking into account the overall bazaar scenario, expected strategies of local producers and other price governing factors, PP prices are likely to be increased in range of rupees 2 to 4 per kg with effect from 1st January 23. We advise raw material procurement at current price levels. That is all for today's news telecast. I am Ankita Surana is signing off. Till then, please